everyone, welcome back to English Explained. I'm Emma.
And I'm Jack. Today we're going to talk about something fun and easy. Things we like to do in our free time.
Yes, our hobbies, our daily interests, and the little things that make our lives more enjoyable.
You'll learn how to talk about your hobbies in English, and we'll show you many useful words and expressions you can use every day.
So grab your notebook, relax, and let's start our conversation.
So Emma, how do you usually start your day?
Well, I usually wake up around 7. I drink a glass of water, stretch a little, and then go for a short walk in the park near my house.
Oh, nice. You like walking in the morning?
Yes, it helps me feel fresh and energetic. I enjoy listening to birds and feeling the cool air.
That's a great habit. I'm more of a stay in bed for 5 more minutes kind of person.
Laughs I can imagine. But seriously, walking is one of my favorite hobbies. It's simple, relaxing, and good for my health.
I agree. Sometimes I go jogging in the evening. It helps me clear my mind.
So you like jogging?
Yes, it's one of the things I like to do regularly. And sometimes, after jogging, I listen to music or watch a short documentary.
Speaking of music, what kind of music do you like, Jack?
I like different types, but I mostly listen to soft rock and jazz. They help me focus when I'm working.
Interesting. I'm more into pop music. I love singing along to my favorite songs.
Oh, so singing is one of your hobbies?
Yes, I'm not a professional singer, but I really enjoy it. Sometimes I even sing while cooking or cleaning.
That's nice. Music really lifts your mood.
Exactly. And what about reading? Do you like reading books?
I love reading. I try to read at least one book every month. Right now, I'm reading a book about personal growth.
Oh, that sounds interesting. What's the name?
It's called Atomic Habits. It's all about how small changes can lead to big results.
I've heard of it. So, reading is your hobby too.
Yes, it's relaxing and educational.
What do you usually do on weekends?
On weekends, I like spending time outdoors. Sometimes I go hiking with my friends or visit new cafes in town.
That sounds like fun. I usually stay home on weekends. I watch movies or work on my art projects.
Oh, you're into art?
Yes, I love drawing and painting. I've been doing it since I was a kid.
Wow, that's amazing. What do you usually paint?
Mostly nature, trees, flowers, mountains, and sometimes portraits.
That's really creative.
Thanks. What about you? Do you have any creative hobbies?
Actually, yes. I like photography.
Photography. That's cool. What kind of photos do you take?
Mostly landscapes and city scenes. I love capturing moments that tell a story.
That's beautiful. So both of us enjoy creating art, just in different ways. Let's talk about sports. Do you play any sports, Jack?
Yes, I play basketball with my friends every Sunday.
Nice. I used to play volleyball in college.
Oh, really? That's awesome. Do you still play?
Not very often, but sometimes during family gatherings. It's a fun way to stay active.
True. Sports are not just for fitness. They also teach teamwork and discipline.
Exactly. I think everyone should have at least one physical activity they enjoy.
Totally agree.
You know, one of my favorite things to do in my free time is learning new skills.
Oh, same here. What are you learning these days?
I'm learning Spanish online
Wow, that's impressive. Why Spanish?
because I love the culture and music. Plus, learning a new language is good for the brain.
That's true. I'm trying to improve my cooking skills.
Really? What do you cook?
Mostly simple things. Pasta, grilled chicken, and sometimes pancakes.
That's great. Cooking is such a practical and fun hobby.
Yes, it helps me relax, and I get to eat something tasty afterward.
Laughs double benefit. These days, a lot of people have digital hobbies too.
Yes, like gaming, blogging, or making videos.
Right. I like creating short videos about language learning.
That's perfect for you, Emma. You're a great teacher.
Thank you. And you? Do you spend much time online?
I like watching tech reviews and travel vlogs. I learn about new gadgets and places.
That's a nice mix of technology and adventure. Speaking of adventure, do you enjoy traveling?
Absolutely. Traveling is one of my biggest passions.
Same here. I love visiting new cities, trying local food, and meeting new people.
It's the best way to learn about different cultures.
Yes, and even short trips can refresh your mind.
What's the most memorable place you've visited?
I'd say Paris. I love the art, the food, and the energy of the city.
That's on my list. My favorite trip so far was to Tokyo. It's modern but full of tradition.
That sounds amazing. When you're tired, how do you relax?
I like sitting quietly with a cup of tea and listening to calm music.
That's nice. I sometimes do meditation or light yoga.
Oh, that's healthy. Do you meditate every day?
Not every day, but a few times a week. It helps me stay focused.
I should try that too.
You know, everyone has different hobbies. My sister loves gardening.
Gardening, that's so peaceful.
Yes, she grows vegetables and flowers. It makes her really happy.
My brother loves playing guitar. He practices for hours.
That's dedication. Music is such a wonderful hobby.
It really is.
Let's quickly review some vocabulary we use today.
Sure.
Walk, jog, sing, read, paint, play, cook, travel, meditate, garden, photograph.
And some nouns: hobby, interest, weekend, relaxation, nature, music, art, sports.
Nice. Try to use these words when you talk about your daily life in English.
Quick grammar tip, guys. When we talk about hobbies, we often use I like plus verbing.
Yes. For example, I like reading, I like painting, I like playing basketball.
Or we can say I enjoy plus verbing. Like, I enjoy cooking. I enjoy traveling.
Exactly.
So, Emma, what's your favorite hobby of all?
That's hard to choose. But I'd say painting and walking in nature.
Nice. Mine is photography and reading.
We both love creative things.
Yes, and we hope everyone watching finds something they truly enjoy too.
Remember, hobbies make life colorful and meaningful.
That's right. Thanks for joining us today, everyone.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to English Explained.
And tell us in the comments, what do you like to do in your free time?
See you in the next video. Bye.
Bye.